Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training, and you can contact us through the number that is provided on the channel. And also in this video you should be able to see a WhatsApp, so you can WhatsApp us for training. So looking into real exam questions, so the one that we are going to cover now is Listria Park to Parnell Road. So let's click on this, and again look at these 2 points. It's a bit longer, lengthier route, but again when you have to plan it, you need to see that we need to come down and towards the right side of this green point, right? So that's how you plan it. Like I always say, that is important, how to plan. So let's zoom in. So we know that we need to come down and towards the right a bit, right? So click on this, and then you come out here, and then we need to come out from here, and then you come down, and then we can take this here. We keep going straight from here, right? So you can see that we're going towards down, towards the point, and also towards the right side, right, where our point was. So carry on going here, and then just follow this road. Don't touch the side lines. Follow this road here, and then from here you're coming towards this road. So come down from here. Alright, come down here, keep going straight. So you can see that we're going towards the point which is at the bottom of the screen that I showed you. So from this roundabout we just simply go straight. Okay, keep going straight. So keep going straight from here, straight here, straight from here. So let's zoom out just to see, just to show you. So this is the point, and we are here, right? So we just kind of follow this route, and then we'll see if we can go this way or we can come down here somewhere, just to find the quickest route. Okay, so yeah, so we just carry on going down here, and from here you can see we can come towards this side here. We can take this lane here, and we can follow this one. Follow this straight. So it's an arrow, you can see that, so we can just kind of go straight here. Right, this is a one way, and from here you can see this arrow is coming down here, so we can go towards this side and come down. We keep going down here, so you keep going down towards the roundabout, and then take the first zigzag, and then you can just come down here. So let's zoom out. So that's the point, and we are on the right track, because we can come down here and then just kind of follow this up here, right? So this is how you can kind of plan. So here, come down here, take the first exit, so we can go straight here, straight, and now we should be able to see our point here as well. So we are here, keep going straight. Let me just zoom in, and then from here you keep going straight. So that's where the point is. So we can come down here. So you can see from here we can't go in because this is closed, so we can come here and we can simply go straight up, right? There's no point going this way and coming out, because that doesn't make sense. So we can just simply go straight up towards the point that we have to click on the point. So that's how you do it. So let's zoom out just to show you, and then you can see it looks quite straight as well. It is a bit lengthy, but it looks quite straight, and that's the most quickest route that you will see. Okay, so thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.